Welcome back again, students. You're on to Dr. Hoje's tutorial class. So in this video, we shall solve an example on trigonometric equation. So solve the equation. Solve the equation. Sine 2 theta is equals to cos theta, cos 3 theta, given the general solution, and solutions in the range theta degree to 360 degree. Now, to solve this, first of all, we have to express we have to show that this is equals to this. So picking up cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta, if you can remember in our cosine cofunctions rule and sine, this will be what? Sine 90 degree minus 3 theta. Yes. So this is the equivalent of this. Sine 3 theta is equals to sine 90 degree minus 3 theta. And from what we are given here, we are told that cos 3 theta is sine 2 theta. So we now replace this by sine 2 theta now is equals to sine 90 degree minus 3 theta. I hope you are getting that. So now we recall, can clean this. We recall in our previous class when we talk about the general solution for all signs, because we are having a combination of signs now. So we're going to use general solution of all signs. So recall the general sine solution of sine, or this is general sine solution of sine, solution of sines of angles, and that is what? That is which is n 180 degree plus minus 1 raised by n theta. Yes, that's the general sine solution. That's the general sine solution. So general sine solution. So in this case, if we pick it up here, we have this is 2 theta equal to sine this. So we can say that this 2 theta is equals to 90 degree minus 3 theta. So let's pick it up there. Okay, that means 2 theta now is equal to n 180 degree plus minus 1 raised by n. Then our theta now is 90 degree minus 3 theta. Yes. Yes. So by the time we expand this, we have 2 theta is equals to n 180 degree, plus or minus raised by n 90 degree. Then plus or this one will become minus now, because minus times plus is minus. Then minus 1 raised by n 3 theta. Beautiful. So by collecting like terms, terms, when this one comes here now, it will become plus. So we have 2 theta plus minus 1 raised by n 3 theta. Yes, that's what we're going to do there. We bring this one to this side, collecting like terms, become plus. So this one will give us what? N 180 degree plus minus 1 raised by n 90 degree. I hope you understand. I brought all of this minus. You don't multiply this minus by this minus. No, you'll be wrong. This minus 3 theta, bring it here and become plus. Okay? So which invariably means that we can factor out theta here. Theta will be 2, theta is common there, 2 plus minus 1 raised by n 3. Or you can write 3 before that. It's still the same thing. If you like, you can write 3 before this. Okay, let's write it in a much more better mathematical way. So plus 3 into minus 1 raised by n. Yes, we have factored out theta here. Is equal to n 180 degree plus into bracket minus 1 raised by n 90 degree. So which means that our theta will be, this theta will be, divide both sides by the whole of this so as to get theta. To make theta respond to the formula, it will be what? N 180 degree plus minus 1 raised power n 90 degree all over 2 plus 3 raised to minus 1 raised power n. So what we now need to do is now to find the values of theta when n is equals to 0. We start with when n is equals to 0. Pick it up there. So theta will be, this will be 0 because 0 times 180 is 0. This will be 1. Minus 1 raised power 0 is 1. That's 90. Then 2 plus 3 times this, this will be 0. Minus 1 raised power 0 is 1. 2 plus 3, because 3 times the whole of this will be 1, 5. 5 over 90 is 18 degree. That is when n is equals to 0. Yes. Now, when n equals to 1, we are going to get the negative value, you see? Because this will be what? 180, 1 times 180, 180. Let's write it out clearly. 180 plus. Now, minus 1 raised power 1 is minus 1. So this one called minus 90 degree all over 2 plus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 raised power 1 is minus 1. That's minus 3. And this will be what? 90 degree all over minus 1, which is wrong. Our values must be positive. So we will take n equals to 2. So if we observe, if it continue like that, any values of any odd numbers will give you negative degree. So we pick even numbers. So pick when n equals to 2 now. If you pick when n equals to 1, like I've just told you, you get minus 90 degree, and that will be wrong. Our answer should be positive. Okay? So when n is equals to 2 now, we have 360 degree. 360 degree here plus minus 2 raised power 1. Minus 1 raised power 2, sorry. Minus 1 times minus 1, that's what it means. That's plus 1. Plus 1 times 90 plus 90 all over 2 plus 3 times minus 1 raised power 2, that's 1. 1 times 3, 3. This will be what? 450 all over 5. And that will be 90 degree. That's correct. That's a positive value. So if you pick n equals to 3, you get a negative value. So it will better will be picking what? We pick values that are going to give us positive results. So far so good. Pick it up n equals to 4 now. When n equals to 4, we have what? Theta will be 4 times 180 degree plus minus 1 raised power 4, that's 1. 1 times 90 degree all over 2 plus, this will be 3, because when it is even, it will be plus 1. This minus 1 raised power 4 is plus 1. So 3. So this will be what? 720 plus this 810. 810 all over 5. And that will be what? 162 degree. So continue like that. You pick when n equals to 6. But in order to save your time, so that you do not run into trouble or you don't waste your time unnecessarily, just look at if there is a common difference between the first value you obtain, 18, 90 degree, 162 degree. You observe that there's a common difference of what? 72 degree. So that means the next value here, the next angle here will be what? Theta will be add 72 to 162. That will be 234 degree. So don't forget, when you pick n equals to odd, if you pick odd number, you get negative degree. So this will be 8 now. Theta will be adding 72 to this one. You have 306. 306 degree. So if you now pick when n is equals to 10, which is the next even number. If you add 72 to this one, it will be 378, which is more than 360 degree, which is the maximum angle you are asked to consider. So that means, since we are not expected to go beyond 360 degree, that means therefore our theta will be, starting from this first one, 18 degree, 90 degree, 162 degree, 234 degree, and 306 degrees. So we stop here for that, because we can't go beyond 306. Any attempt to go beyond 306 will be outside the degree we are asked to measure. So in that case, it will be wrong. So in this case now, we are correct, because we are between 0 degree and 360 degree, as the question has asked. So with this, we have come to the end of this exercise, this example. So we meet in the next video. Stay blessed.